Believe in serendipity. Prepare yourself as best you can so that when the path converges, you make a good choice. And then all of a sudden you'll find out that everything you prepared for will change, and be prepared for that.
Just take advantage of the time you have here. Just get involved in everything. Try new things. It'll make you a different person.
Well, enjoy every moment for sure. Cherish every moment. As I look back, sometimes I wish I'd paid more attention. You always do. I thought I paid attention, but there's so much to learn.
Just be open to change and be willing to get outside the box.
Our liberal arts education is fantastic. You can talk about a little bit about everything. And it takes you to a lot of places that serves you well. Yeah.
It's one of the greatest opportunities you'll ever have in your life to get away from home. Some parents are very relaxed in their upbringing, others are pretty tight. It's a lot of responsibility. And you need to be able to accept the responsibility that you are responsible for your actions. Now, nobody to blame. Also, somebody's making a significant investment in this education and this opportunity, and you owe it to yourself, you owe it to them to make the most of that. To do a better job of doing that than I did, for example.